Making money from a mobile device without any initial investment is possible, but it may require some time, effort, and creativity. Here are some legitimate ways to do it. 1. Freelance services on Fiverr or Upwork. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, social media management, or programming, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 2. Participate in online surveys and reviews. There are websites and apps that pay you for taking surveys, testing products, and writing reviews. Examples include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and User Testing. 3. Sell photos or designs. If you're a photographer or graphic designer, you can sell your work on stock photo websites like Shutterstock or on platforms like Redbubble. 4. Write an ebook or blog. If you have expertise in a specific area, consider writing an ebook or starting a blog. You can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or by selling your ebook. 5. Offer online tutoring or coaching. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject or skill, consider offering tutoring or coaching services through platforms like Chegg Tutors or Coach.me. 6. Participate in affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. You can do this through social media, blogs, or YouTube. 7. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. 8. Become a social media influencer. Build a following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok and partner with brands for sponsored content. 9. Offer virtual assistants. If you have administrative skills, consider offering virtual assistant services to businesses or entrepreneurs. 10. Participate in app testing or beta testing. Some companies pay individuals to test their apps or software for bugs and provide feedback. 11. Do microtasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Complete small tasks that require human intelligence, like data entry or content moderation. 12. Participate in online contests and competitions. Enter free contests or competitions that offer prizes or cash rewards. Remember, while these methods don't require an initial investment, they may require an investment of time, effort, and sometimes creativity to be successful. Be cautious of scams and always do thorough research before engaging in any online money-making opportunity.